So welcome to the channel, and today I want to show you how to remove gear knob Ford Fiesta MK8. This one is 1.1 EcoBoost, so petrol engine, as you can see 5-speed with reverse. So what you want to do, you want to start with pulling it to the left a little bit, and this one is complete with this leather. So either use a plastic tool and click it over here, or just pull up. It's kind of same thing. So, and what you want to do, you just want to turn it full around till the end. So turn it as long until you don't come to the end. So yeah, like that. So as you can see, it's quite long, and yeah, it's together with this. Usually normal 6-speed is just the knob, so this one is a little bit different. So when you want to put it back again, you take the gear knob, you put it there and just turn all the way back. It's not that hard, so just turn it all the way where it was. So when you come to quite an end, so there is one more turn here, you wanna just put it in right position, so like this, and then you click back. So that's basically that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and see you next one. Till next one, see ya.